Hi, everyone. Today we're talking about causative structures in English. We'll cover three main types: get have something done, get somebody to do something, and get have somebody doing something. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about get have something done. This is when we arrange for someone else to do something for us. For example, did you finally get your bike fixed? Here, we're talking about arranging for someone to repair the bike. But sometimes we also use it for things we experience, usually negative and not intended. For instance, I heard that Susie had her motorbike stolen. Here are a couple of useful tips. Generally, get is more informal than have in these structures. We can use other verbs with a causative meaning like need, want, and would like. Get something done can also mean finishing something. For example, we'll set off as soon as I've got the car fixed. Now, onto our second structure, get somebody to do something, or have somebody do something. This is used when we make someone do something for us. An example would be, did you get Alex to drive you all the way to London? Pretty handy, right? And finally, let's look at get have somebody doing something. This is when we make someone start doing something. For example, don't worry, we'll soon have your car running like new. It's all about getting that action started. So there you have it. Try using these structures in your own sentences and see how they work for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time.